On top of your live Hoylu workspace, you can enter Overview mode to quickly edit the structure and settings of your workspace. This includes setting bookmarks for teams working on separate sections of the workspace, meeting outlines, and the ease of navigation to otherwise extraneous pages. Overview mode allows you to structure your workspace with templates, timers, bookmarks, and allows you to set a homepage. On the navigation bar, the Overview mode icon is represented by a layout of 9 pages. Clicking into Overview mode will change the toolbox tools to tools specific to editing the workspace.